today's marathon was something very unusual for me. I am मेरे रसा हूँ 86 and 87. So whether I will run, first of all, I was not sure. But when I came here, the whole atmosphere is so good, climate is so good, the route is so good, and everywhere friendship for see, and everywhere people coming, saluting me, asking me, it is your inspiration. I finished today's marathon non-stop. Can you believe that? Non-stop. So this is the vibe you require, atmosphere you require to run marathon. It is in the mind, it is not in the legs. I will tell young generation that they should come out, make the determination to run, and then they will succeed in life also in the future. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.